Welcome to the Introduction to Microsoft Word Insert tab and Design tab, Part 6 of 9 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video Index, Insert tab, Pages group, Tables group, Illustrations group, Headers and Footers group, Design tab, Page Background group. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen, and the Maximize Restore Down button changes to double squares. You can adjust the width and the height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from a normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top, blue arrow, and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Windows on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open the second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scroll sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on one computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Insert tab and Design tab. In this video, we're going to explore the Insert tab and Design tab. If you haven't already opened your Microsoft Word application, please do so now. Select the blank document. After the application opens, please click the Insert tab. Insert tab, Pages group. Cover page. Click on the Cover Page command and the built-in Covers dialog box is displayed. Cover Page command allows you to add, replace, or remove the current cover page. Blank page. Inserts a blank page into the document. Page break. Moves to the next page like the ending of a chapter in a book. Next group is the Table group. Click on the Table command and scroll 5 down and 6 across. Squares will change colors when selected. The number of squares selected will be the size of the table. Click the last square and the table will be displayed on the page. Once the table appears on the page, the Table Tools tab appears on the ribbon. to help you format the table if you wish to do so. When you get time, play with it, but for now we'll save it for another class. Tap the Enter key a few times to make a space between the table and our next command. Insert tab, Illustrations group. Click the Insert tab again if necessary. The creating of the table may have caused a program to change to the Table Tool Layout tab. Click on the Picture command. Clicking Pictures opens the picture library of the computer you are using. Click on the picture you want to insert. The name of the picture will appear in the File Name field. Click Insert. When you insert a picture, it will have these small squares. They're called sizing handles on the perimeter. Use these to resize the picture. Place the cursor on a square and it turns into a two-headed white arrow. Moving the cursor inward makes the picture smaller. Moving the cursor outward makes the picture larger. Shown in red so it would be visible. Click off the picture and the sizing handles will disappear. You can save pictures in numerous places: Picture Library, Desktop, Documents, Flash drives, CDs, on a cloud, the list goes on. Online Pictures command opens a window with numerous choices. Shapes command opens and gives you pre-designed shapes to choose from and insert. Click on a star, then click on the page to insert the star on the page by dragging the cursor upwards and to the right. Click on the star again and insert the second star on the page using the same method. Enlarge or shrink by clicking on and dragging the selection handles, small circles. Drawing Tool tab is now displayed on the ribbon. Make sure one of the stars is selected. The star will look like this with a square and circles surrounding it. The Drawing Tools Format tab will be active. Insert tab, Shape Style group. Click on the Drawing Tools Format tab. Under Shape Style group, click Shape Fill and click the color red. A star must be selected in order for the Drawing Tools Format tab to be active. One of your stars should now be red with a thin blue outline. To change the outline to red, click on Shapes Outline and click the color red. Click the Enter key several times so that the cursor is several spaces below the star. Insert tab, Header and Footer group. Click on the Insert tab again. Clicking on Headers opens this dialog box which gives you numerous choices of headers. Scroll to view the choices. If you wish to remove the header, click Remove Header. There is now header and footer areas displayed on the page. You can type within these areas, but not in the main body of the page until the headers and footers are closed. Closing the header is easy. Just click the red X and the areas are no longer visible. Make sure you do not click the red X in the upper right corner, or you will close the document. Once the header and footer is closed, you will be able to type in the main body of the document. Footer command also has numerous choices. Scroll to view choices. If you wish to remove the footer, click Remove Footer. Footer closes just like the headers do. Click the red X and the areas are no longer visible. Make sure you do not click the red X in the upper right corner or you will close the document. Page number. Where does it look the best on the page? Scroll to view choices. Click on the Design tab. Go to Page Background group. Click Page Color command, but do not click on any color yet. Theme color box opens. Remember, when selecting background color, the text should still be easy to read. Scroll over the colors and watch the page change colors. To change the colors, click on the one you like. To remove color, click on the white or no color. This concludes the Introduction to Microsoft Word Insert tab and Design tab, Part 6 of 9 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 6. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 7 through 9 of Microsoft Word. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.